Summer's here and the heat is on. Let's get cooking. Summer is here and it's the perfect time to enjoy some fresh, vibrant, and mouth-watering recipes. Today I'm sharing with you 10 summer recipes that you need to try ASAP. These dishes are perfect for hot days, BBQs, or just a refreshing meal. So let's dive in. Recipe 1. Watermelon feta salad. Our first recipe is a refreshing watermelon feta salad. Here's what you'll need. Fresh watermelon cubed, crumbled feta cheese, chopped mint leaves, balsamic glaze. Step 1. Cube your watermelon and place it in a large bowl. Step 2. Add crumbled feta cheese on top. Step 3. Sprinkle chopped mint leaves. Step 4. Drizzle with balsamic glaze. Step 5. Give it a gentle toss and serve immediately. Perfect for a hot summer day. Recipe 2. Grilled corn on the cob with chili lime butter. Next up, we have grilled corn on the cob with chili lime butter. You'll need corn on the cob, butter, softened, lime zest, chili powder, salt. Step 1. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Step 2. Grill the corn, turning occasionally until it's nicely charred, about 10-15 minutes. Step 3. Meanwhile, mix softened butter with lime zest, chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Step 4. Spread the chili lime butter over the hot corn and enjoy. Recipe 3. Caprese skewers. These caprese skewers are a crowd pleaser. You'll need cherry tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, mozzarella balls, olive oil, balsamic glaze. Step 1. Thread a cherry tomato, a basil leaf, and a mozzarella ball onto a skewer. Step 2. Repeat until all ingredients are used. Step 3. Arrange the skewers on a platter. Step 4. Drizzle with olive oil and balsamic glaze. Step 5. Serve and enjoy these as a perfect appetizer for any summer gathering. Recipe 4. Lemon garlic shrimp. For a quick and tasty main dish, try lemon garlic shrimp. You'll need shrimp peeled and deveined, minced garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Step 1. Heat olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Step 2. Add minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Step 3. Add the shrimp, season with salt and pepper, and cook until pink and opaque, about 2-3 minutes per side. Step 4. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the shrimp. Step 5. Serve it over rice or pasta for a complete meal. Recipe 5. Mango avocado salsa. This mango avocado salsa is a fresh and flavorful side. You'll need mango diced, avocado diced, red onion finely chopped, cilantro chopped, lime juice, salt. Step 1. In a large bowl, combine diced mango and avocado. Step 2. Add finely chopped red onion and cilantro. Step 3. Squeeze fresh lime juice over the mixture. Step 4. Season with salt to taste. Step 5. Mix gently and serve with chips or as a topping for grilled chicken. Watermelon and feta salad, a symphony of sweet and savory. Right, let's kick things off with a salad that's as refreshing as a dip in the ocean. We're talking juicy watermelon and salty feta cheese, a match made in culinary heaven. This salad is so simple you can't mess it up. Dice up some ripe watermelon, crumble some feta, and toss it with a drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. You can even add some fresh mint leaves if you're feeling fancy. Trust me, this salad is an absolute taste bud explosion. BBQ chicken skewers, your grill's about to get fired up. Listen up, it's time to fire up the grill and get those taste buds dancing with some BBQ chicken skewers. We're talking tender, juicy chicken marinated in a smoky, sweet BBQ sauce that will have your neighbors drooling. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces, thread them onto skewers and slather them in your favorite BBQ sauce. Grill them to perfection, turning occasionally to avoid any herring. Serve these with a side of grilled veggies, and you've got yourself a summer feast fit for a king. Shrimp ceviche. This is fresh, vibrant, and bursting with flavor. We're talking succulent shrimp, kissed by zesty lime, with a kick of chili that'll wake up your taste buds. It's so easy anyone can make it. Just chop, mix, and let it work its magic. Trust me, this is the perfect light bite that won't weigh you down in the summer heat. Caprese pasta salad. And for God's sake, don't overcook the pasta. We're tossing perfectly cooked pasta with juicy tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, and fresh basil. This is a flavor explosion. A drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt and pepper, and you've got yourself a summer dish that's light, refreshing, and utterly delicious. It's so simple, yet so good. Chilled cucumber soup. It's not just any cold soup. This is a symphony of fresh flavors, with cool cucumber, tangy yogurt, and a hint of mint. It's the perfect starter for a scorching summer day, light, refreshing, and full of flavor. Don't even think about serving this lukewarm. Get it chilled to perfection, and you'll have a dish that's as refreshing as a dip in the ocean. Finally, a dessert that's as impressive as it is easy. We're talking about a crisp meringue nest, piled high with fresh berries and whipped cream. It's light, it's fruity, and it screams summer. Don't overthink it, just follow the steps and you'll have a dessert that'll make you the star of the show. Time to ditch the sugary drinks and level up your cocktail game. This cucumber mint mojito is so refreshing, it'll blow your mind. Muddle some fresh mint and cucumber, add a splash of rum, and top it off with soda water. It's the perfect way to cool down on a scorching summer day. Get in there. Who says grilled food has to be boring? This grilled veggie platter with hummus is a flavor explosion. We're talking vibrant colors, smoky char marks, and a creamy hummus that will have you licking the plate clean. This is vegetarian food done right. Get ready to impress your guests with this one. Frozen yogurt pops, you say? Don't think for a minute these are just for the kids. This is a brilliant way to cool down on a scorching summer day. We're talking fresh fruit, creamy yogurt, and a touch of honey for sweetness. It's so simple, you can't mess it up. Just blend, pour, freeze, and you've got yourself a refreshing treat that'll make those ice cream trucks turn green with envy. Avocado toast, the breakfast of champions. But listen up, we're taking it up a notch with a perfectly poached egg, its golden yolk oozing over creamy avocado, a sprinkle of sea salt, a crack of black pepper, and you've got yourself a breakfast that's as delicious as it is Instagram-worthy. Don't overcook the egg, it should be soft and runny, not rubbery and hard. There you have it, 10 summer recipes that are so easy. From refreshing salads and sizzling skewers to sweet treats and satisfying breakfasts, we've got you covered. So put down the takeaway menus, step away from the frozen dinners, and get cooking. Summer is all about enjoying delicious food with the people you love. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.